Analysis of this test website shows organic traffic arriving from a wide range of locations, including the US, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and the UAE. This traffic is being driven by a strategy involving a single high-authority document sharing platform. This platform receives 2.4 million monthly visitors, heavily driven by audiences in the US, UK, and Canada. Its technical profile makes it an ideal backlink host, holding a domain authority of 80, a domain rating of 91, and a 1% spam score. To utilize this platform for your own site, you only need to have two components ready: a live URL for the page you want to promote and a specific target keyword. Search engines use the established credibility of high-authority sites to discover and vet new content. By placing a link on a platform Google already trusts, you create a path for crawlers to find and index your pages more effectively. The first step is to convert your existing web page into a PDF document. Avoid using the basic print to PDF function in your browser. This often creates a static image of the page, which breaks the underlying code and makes your links unclickable. Instead, use a dedicated URL to PDF converter. These tools scrape the live URL and generate a document that preserves the internal architecture of your links. Once the file is generated, hover your cursor over the links within the PDF. If the cursor changes to a pointer, your internal and external links are active and ready for search engine crawlers. Before moving forward, look at the file name. Standard downloads are often assigned generic names like document1.pdf, which provides no context to search engines. Rename the file on your computer so that it exactly matches your target keyword. Use hyphens to separate words so the title is easily readable by crawler software. Search engines index the titles of uploaded documents. A keyword-optimized file name serves as an additional metadata signal before the document is even processed by the platform. Navigate to the target platform and select the option to upload your PDF. The platform requires a moment to ingest and process the document's data. This typically takes between 30 and 60 seconds, depending on the file size. After the upload is complete, click Publish Now. This action will bring up a prompt to create a user account. You can sign up manually with an email address and wait for a verification code, or you can use a Google or Microsoft account to complete the sign-up immediately. During the onboarding process, you will see options for paid subscriptions. Select the free tier to continue to the document management dashboard. Verifying your account through a known provider like Google or Microsoft associates your profile with an established identity. This helps the platform categorize your upload as legitimate content rather than an automated submission. Within your dashboard, find your document and click Continue to access the final settings. Enter a title and description for your document. Including your target keywords here provides necessary context for search algorithms to categorize your link correctly. There is one setting in this section that determines whether your link will actually provide any SEO value. Ensure the visibility setting is toggled to public before you finalize the publication. If a document is set to private, it is hidden behind a login screen. Google's automated crawlers cannot bypass these security walls, meaning any links inside a private document will never be found or indexed. Setting the file to public removes access barriers. This allows crawlers to access the document, follow the links, and return to your website. To confirm the process is complete, click Share and visit your public profile. You should see your PDF live on the high-authority domain with all links functioning. Note that the free tier on this platform often comes with a 14-day trial period for the account. You can maintain a presence on the site by using temporary email services to cycle to a new account every 2 weeks, ensuring your documents remain active. Remember that link building is a long-term process. A single backlink is a starting point, but it will not result in an immediate or massive surge in traffic on its own. To increase the visibility of your new PDF, share the document link on your social media channels. This can generate immediate referral traffic while the backlink works to improve your search engine standing. SEO success relies on consistency. By regularly creating these high-authority links, you build a network of pathways that gradually improve your website's visibility in search results.